In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get box blur in Affinity Photo. Box blur is a simple, uniform blur that averages pixels in a square area, creating a clean, even softness without the feathered fall-off you see in Gaussian blur. It's great for smoothing noise, creating a subtle defocus, or stylizing shapes while keeping edges a bit more geometric. Start by opening Affinity Photo and loading the image you want to edit. Make sure you're working on a pixel layer so filters are available. If your layer began as a shape or a placed vector, rasterize it first. If your interface shows different work modes across the top, switch to the pixel workspace so you're editing actual pixels. This ensures the blur filter will apply correctly and the preview updates in real time. Next, go to the top menu and open the Filters menu. Hover over Blur to reveal the blur options, then choose Box Blur. As soon as the dialog opens, you'll see a live preview on your canvas. The key control here is the radius slider. Increasing the radius widens the square area being averaged, which makes the blur stronger and the image more uniformly smoothed. Keep an eye on fine details like text, eyes, or edges, and nudge the slider until you get the exact level of softness you want. If your image is large, smaller radius values can still have a noticeable effect. For tiny graphics or icons, you might need a higher radius to see a clear change. Take a moment to zoom in and out to judge the result at both detail and full view scales. If the blur starts to wash out important features, dial it back slightly. A helpful workflow tip is to duplicate your layer before applying the filter, so you can compare before and after or mask the blur into specific areas later. When you're satisfied, click Apply to commit the change. That's it. Clean, controlled softness with box blur, ready for subtle retouching or bold stylistic effects in Affinity Photo.